how to download and install Microsoft Office in 2025. So if you want to download and install Microsoft Office in 2025, then just watch this video. Before starting, if you have previously installed Office version, like a trial or expired one, it's best to remove it. Go to the control panel. You can search for control panel and select uninstall a program, or just simply go with view by, go with category, and here you will have programs. Go with uninstall a program and remove anything related to Microsoft Office. Next, we begin the installation. Open your browser and go to config.office.com. This is Microsoft official Office customization tool. We'll use it to create a custom installation file. Scroll down, click on Create under Create New Configuration. And you can go and choose 64-bit or 32-bit as you want. Then from the Office suite, so you can select Office LTSC Professional plus 2024 volume license. This version provides the full Office suite without requiring a Microsoft Office or subscription. If a 2025 or a new version is available, you can choose it instead. Select the apps that you need, scroll down, go and select the apps that you need. If you don't need any apps, you can go and uncheck it. Click on the language and select the primary language if you want to. Next, go with the installation options. You'll have update and upgrade. You'll have licensing. Go and select the option based on your preference. Once done, you can go with finish, which is here on the bottom left. After that, click on export, which is on the top right. Select the Office Open XML format. Accept the license agreement and click on the export. A configuration XML file would download containing details of your Office setup, such as the version, apps, and language. And once it's downloaded, you can go with your files. Under files, you will have the download option. You need to go under the downloads and you will have your Office deployment tool. You need to double click on it and it will start the installation process. You can extract the files, choose a folder to extract the files like your desktop or downloads folder, and that's it. In this way, you'll be able to download and install Microsoft Office in 2025. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.